We're at the 50% point on making the Abyss. Another 5 of us did another 3 hours worth of work apiece. We got some wheels installed. Here are the wheels, 8-inch, 4 wheels per 7-foot section. Here's the bottom of the sections. We put regular casters on the inside and locking casters on the outside. And they lock pretty easy. They lock in 2 directions, both the wheel itself and then the caster. And then to let off, it's easy like that. So we'll do it like this so that you can use your feet and outside to lock them down. The hardware for the wheels, 2 sets come with it. Threaded bolt, and this is threaded too, but it's got a nylon block nut. We thought about building up this 1/2-inch plywood, but in the end we used this hardware with the wider washers to distribute the load. And then, so anytime we didn't tie in with the threaded into the 2x4s, we used this washer arrangement. We originally had these and we swapped them out for the big 1.5-inch. I'll post hardware down below in case you're interested.